Wala pang indikasyon kung magpapatuloy muli ang trade talks sa pagitan ng Canada at Amerika matapos ang mas pinainit pang tensyong dulot ng anti-tariff ad ng Ontario government na hindi nagustuhan ni US President Donald Trump.
Cultural closeness does not equal to cultural fluency. What do you mean by that?
So, my view of culture is that it's multi-layered, multifaceted, and not singular. Going back to the cultural closeness, we share a border, but boy, the message landed differently.
CEO ng isang multicultural marketing company si Joycelyn David at may akda rin sa aklat na The Multicultural Mindset. Anya, magkalapit man ang Canada at Amerika at tinuturing pinakamalakas na alay ang isa't isa, may pagkakaiba pa rin sa kultura ng dalawang bansa. Pagkakaibang maoobserbahan sa interpretasyon ng umering anti-tariff ad.
As a marketer, I do understand that it took bravery to take out that ad and run it. Marketing is often about stirring up conversations and to some degree creating controversy. So while the outcome was an unfortunate additional tariff added on and cease of negotiations between Canada and the US, it just also shows the power of marketing.
Ano pa man anya ang naging pagtanggap ng publiko at ng mga politiko sa nasabing ad. Naging tagumpay daw ito sa pagsisimula ng mga talakayan at sa pagpapakita ng tapang at paninindigan, lalo sa panahon kung saan marami ang pumipiling hindi manghimasok sa isyung apektado ang mga ordinaryong mamamayan ng parehong bansa.
Everyone needs to remember that conversations are where understanding can start. Conversations is where cultural fluency can be built. And I think that that's my takeaway of what was controversial, but brave at the same time.
Halong reaksyon mula sa mga Canadian ang nakuha ng ad. Pero para sa ilan, tila naging inspirasyon pa ito para lumahok sa kampanya at ipaglaban ang mga industriyang hinahamon ng tariff hike.
It doesn't look like the whole discussion about the ad will die down anytime soon. I mean, we're still talking about it. So what do you think will follow?
For us in Canada, what I think the next step will be is that relations between Canada and US are forever changed with the current administration. I think that becoming more fluent in cultural fluency means also understanding the culture of our neighbors to the south.
Do you believe that another ad can continue or can help resume trade negotiations?
I'd like to believe that that's possible, but I have yet to see a brand do that.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.